In today's recipe, easy prawn linguine. Firstly, get a pot ready and start boiling enough water to cook your pasta. Meanwhile, get a large frying pan on a medium-low heat and spray with low-calorie cooking spray. Once the pan is up to temperature, fry the shallots for a few minutes and then add the garlic, ginger and chilli flakes, cooking for another minute. Now add the chopped tomatoes, cooking this for 10 minutes. Whilst the sauce is cooking, boil the pasta until al dente and drain off the water. After 10 minutes, add the parsley, salt and prawns to the sauce and cook until the prawns turn pink. Now add the pasta to the sauce, mixing it well. All you have to do now is plate up and sprinkle over some parmesan, adding a side of rocket if that's to your preference, and of course enjoy. Don't forget, if you like what you see on our healthy food journey, please like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.